Today we're going to do a troubleshooting video on what to check if your pump oil appears milky. So for reference, the correct color for your pump oil is going to be a gold, a clear, or a brown. But if it appears milky, there may be a problem. So the first thing you want to check if it's milky is, has your jetter recently been run? Because after it's been ran, it might appear milky for a short time. If you let your jetter cool off and it's still milky, then we need to investigate if there's possible water in your pump. The best way to check that is take your jetter to a level surface. Then you want to see, is the level of the oil above this red dot? If it is, that means there is possible water in your pump, which you want to then drain by taking off this cap and letting it drain completely. If the oil level is exactly at the red dot, then it's possible that your jetter just needs to have a fluid filter service done on it. So as a reminder, every time you get your engine serviced and you have a fluid filter service, you should also be replacing the oil in your pump. This pump should take 4 quarts of ISO 68 non-detergent oil. If your jetter is within its 50-hour break-in period, it's also possible that the oil gets a little milky if there's tiny metal shavings in the pump. So the best way to resolve that is you want to remove the drain. You want to drain it completely. You also want to remove the cap by taking off all of these bolts, taking this cap off entirely and wiping it down. Then you can put it back on and you can refill your oil. If after doing these steps you find that you're still getting a discoloration, there may be an additional problem that we want to investigate further. So go ahead and call our office and we'll be able to walk you through the remaining steps.